Welcome to the complete smart plug guide to home automation. This video will show you how to transform simple homes into smart ecosystems. Smart plugs connect devices to digital networks, providing a bridge to control legacy devices from anywhere. The industry is growing rapidly, expected to reach a market of $5.6 billion by 2032. 4 core modes drive basic automation. Schedules let you program fixed daily routines. Remote control allows checking appliance status from afar. Voice integration uses assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. And occupancy simulation helps deter intruders during vacations. Sensors trigger actions automatically. They detect environmental changes without requiring human input. For example, a smart plug can power on an appliance automatically based on humidity levels. You can program your daily life. A smart plug can boil water in the morning, secure the house at night, or even reboot the Wi-Fi router on a schedule. Smart plugs eliminate vampire power. Idle electronics consume standby power, but smart plugs monitor energy consumption and cut power completely, saving 5 to 10% on utility bills. You must match power ratings to appliances. Use 6A or 10A standard plugs for low-wattage items. For high-wattage appliances, you must use 16A heavy-duty plugs, as small plugs can melt under heavy loads. Physical design impacts usability. Bulky plugs can block neighboring sockets. Slim designs preserve space on power strips, so you must check the physical footprint before buying. The Matter standard ensures compatibility. Different ecosystems previously fragmented the market, but Matter certification unifies smart home devices. Matter-certified plugs work seamlessly with all systems, including Apple HomeKit, Google Home, and Amazon Alexa. Setup takes under 5 minutes. The process involves 5 steps. Insert the plug, download the app, connect to a 2.4 GHz network, assign a logical name, and create your first schedule. Smart plugs require 2.4 GHz networks. While 5 GHz provides speed, the 2.4 GHz signal provides greater range and can penetrate solid walls easily, which is crucial for smart home devices. You must secure your home network. Patch vulnerabilities by updating firmware monthly. Encrypt data using WPA2 or WPA3 passwords. And choose reliability by buying established brands. Multiple plugs create an intelligent ecosystem. While one plug solves one specific problem, multiple plugs aggregate into a cohesive network. This allows your home to anticipate your daily needs. Begin automating your environment today. Smart plugs offer low cost and high impact, helping reduce your carbon footprint. You can easily start with just one single appliance.